This is Raj Kalam. Hope all of you are staying at home with good health. When a person is unimpaired and intact in his dreams, nothing is impossible for him. But those who do not try to make their dreams come true have hundreds of excuses for not doing so. But for those who are determined to make their dreams come true, the only reason to win the dream, everything is defeated. Today, I wanna tell you a real motivational story. I think that is enough to change a person's life. This story is for the failure person, those person who lost first time and think that he will never win. This video is to motivate them and to prove wrong. So let's enjoy the story. A boy was born on 21st January 1910 in Budapest, the capital of Hungary. Nobody could imagine that the boy would be a world-class shooter one day. His name was Karoly Takocs. He had joined Hungarian army. He was too hungry to be the best, and absolutely he was the best. When he was only 26, he became one of the top pistol shooters in the world in 1936. He had already won all the national championships in his country. His aim was only to get the best shooter gold medal in the Olympic Games, which was supposed to be held in 1936. But there was a little bit problem. At that time, he was a sergeant and only the commissioned rank officers were allowed to competition. As he missed the 1936 Olympic Games, he began to dream for the next Olympic Games, which would be held in 1940. In 1938, at an army training camp, he happened to lose his right hand. People thought his career was over, but Karoly proved otherwise. He taught a lesson to the whole world. Focus on what you have, not on what you lost. After 1 year in 1939, Karoly Takocs went to a national shooting championship in his country. His colleagues were happy and delighted to see the one-handed person, and they also thanked and praised him for attending and giving them inspiration. But Karoly answered that he was not there to inspire them. He went there to compete with those two-handed persons. He also informed that he had practiced for 1 year after losing his hands to become champion, and he could do that. He could be the champion of that championship. All of them became astonished because of his unbelievable participants. After when he began to practice more and more for the upcoming 1940 Olympic Games, but 1940 Olympic game got cancelled due to World War II. He concentrated and began to train again for 1944 Olympics without being frustrated or losing his hopes and dreams. But very unfortunately, it was also cancelled and his dream seemed to be fade away like a dust. But once again, he began to practice and prepared himself for the next 1948 Olympics. In 1948, his age would 38, which was only 26 years in 1936. It was too difficult to compete with the new energetic young competitors, but that could not stop him. He participated in 1948 Olympics and won the gold medal. That was a history as he was a man of one-handed who lost his best hand in his perfect age, but without losing his hopes and morale, he could reach on his goal. This is not the end. Once again, he competed next competition, next Olympics in 1952 and won the gold medal. And it's the only record of Olympic still now to be the gold medalist in shooting that a person could win the gold medal in two times. If you have enjoyed this motivational story, please subscribe our channel and to help your friends share more and more. And if you have any comment, write down on comments box. Thank you for watching this video and you are very welcome to next video.